Hello friends, today in this video we are going to study about trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Here we are going to find the trigonometric ratios of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So friends, let's start. Here you see an equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. So here given AB is equal to BC is equal to AC and AD is perpendicular to side BC here given. Okay, and angle, each angle of an equilateral triangle is equal to 60 degree. So here angle A, angle B, angle C is equal to 60 degree given. We have to prove BD is equal to CD and BAD angle is equal to angle CAD. Okay, so see, proof. Here in between triangle ABD, ABD in this triangle and triangle ACD, ACD. Okay, you see AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. Why? Because you know that all sides of an equilateral triangle are equal. So AB is equal to AC. Here you see AD, common side. Okay, and here you see this angle and this angle are equal, that is equal to 90 degree. Why? Because AD is perpendicular to BC. Okay, so here ADB angle is equal to ADC angle. They are equal to 90 degree. Okay, so here triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD since RHS congruency, okay, congruency rule. And you know, as per CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangles, here we can write the corresponding part. BD correspond to DC, they are equal, and this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, as per CPCT. And you know that the angle A is equal to how much? 60 degree. Then angle BAD is equal to how much? Now 30 degree, and this angle also 30 degree. So here we got angle BAD is equal to CAD. They are equal, and BD is equal to CD. Okay, next here you see trigonometric ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree. Now we shall find the trigonometric ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree. It is an equilateral triangle, triangle ABC. This is an equilateral triangle. So all sides are equal. So AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. Say A. Here in right angle triangle ADB, in this right angle triangle BD, BD is equal to CD. So here BC is equal to A. Then BD equal to how much? A by 2, half of BC. Okay. So here BD is equal to A by 2. Now you find AD, height of the triangle. So AD, you can use Pythagoras theorem in this triangle ADB. Okay, then you can find AD using Pythagoras theorem. We can write a B square is equal to BD square plus AD square. Okay, and AD square is equal to, you can write AB square minus BD square. Here AD square is equal to AB A, so A square, and BD what? A by 2, so A by 2 whole square. Then AD square is equal to A square minus A square by 4, A by B whole square is equal to A square by B square. So here A square, 2 square, so A square by 4, 2 square equal to 4, so here A square minus A square by 4. AD square is equal to, you take LCM 4, then you subtract 4A square minus A square, the subtraction. Okay, so AD square is equal to 4A square minus A square, 3A square. Okay, then AD equal to what? Square root of 3A square by 4, that is equal to root 3 by 2A. Okay, then you get AD is equal to root 3 by 2A. Yes. Next, see trigonometric ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree. Here you see the equilateral triangle BD is equal to CD, that is equal to A by BD is equal to CD is equal to A by 2, and we have AD equal to how much? Root 3 by 2A. Okay, now you take this right angle triangle ABD. Okay, so sin 30 degree this angle, then sin theta is what? P by H. Here P is your BD and H AB. So BD by AB. Okay, and BD is equal to A by 2 and AB what? A. So you divide, then you get A by 2 into A, and A cancel, then you get 1 by 2. So sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Now you find cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree in this triangle, right angle triangle. Here base is what? Base is your AD, okay, and hypotenuse AB. So you know cos theta is equal to what? B by H. So here B by H, B is AD and H is AB, and AD you know what? Root 3 by 2A. So root 3 by 2A, and AB A. Now you simplify it, root 3 by 2A by A cancel, then you get root 3 by 2 only. Okay, so here root 3 by 2. Now tan 30 degree, tan theta you know what? P by V. So in this right angle triangle, P is what? BD and H AB and B AD. Okay, so tan 30 degree is equal to what? P by B. Here P is BD, so BD by AD, B is AD. Okay, then you know that BD is equal to A by 2 by B. B you know what? Root 3 by 2A. So here root 3 by 2A. Now you simplify this, then you get A by 2 into 2 by root 3A. Then A cancel, 2 cancel, then 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. So answer is here 1 by root 3. So tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Okay. Similarly, here you know that cosec 30 degree is reciprocal of sin 30 degree. So reciprocal means here you reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. So cosec 30 degree is equal to 2. Then sec 30 degree is reciprocal of cos 30 degree. So reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is what? 2 by root 3. So sec 30 degree is equal to 2 by root 3. Here tan 30 degree, find cot 30 degree. Okay, so cot 30 degree is reciprocal of tan 30 degree. So reciprocal of 1 by root 3 is your root 3 by 1. or you just write root 3. Okay, so cot 30 degree is equal to root 3. Next, here you say 60 degree. In right angle triangle ADB, in this right angle triangle 60 degree is B angle. Okay, B angle is equal to 60 degree. Now we have to find sin 60 degree, cos 60 degree, tan 60 degree, cosec 60 degree, sec 60 degree, and cot 60 degree. So you know that sin theta is equal to what? P by H. For this angle P is your AD and H AB and base BD. Okay, so here sin 60 degree is equal to AD by AB, AD by AB, and AD equal to how much? Root 3 by 2, A by AB, AB is A, so A cancel, then you get root 3 by 2. Okay, and you can find cosec 60 degree. Cosec 60 degree is reciprocal of sin 60 degree. So reciprocal of this is what? Root 3 by 2 is reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. So you get cosec 60 degree is equal to 2 by root 3. Similarly here cos 60 degree, you know cos what? B by H. Here B is BD, BD by H, AB. Okay, so BD A by 2 by A. So you can write A by 2, A cancel, then you get 1 by 2. So cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. And sec 60 degree, what? Sec 60 degree is reciprocal of cos 60 degree. So reciprocal of 1 by 2 is your 2 by 1, or you can write just 2. So sec 60 degree is equal to 2. Then come to tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree what? For this angle base is BD and P is AD, and AD is equal to root 3 by 2A. Okay, so tan P by B. So here P is AD, AD by PD, B BD. So AD is your root 3 by 2A, and BD, AD is your root 3 by 2A, and BD is your A by 2. So root 3 by 2A into 2 by A cancel, 2 cancel, so you get root 3. So your answer is root 3. Okay, and you know that cot 60 degree is reciprocal of tan. Okay, so here root 3 means root 3 by 1. So reciprocal of root 3 by 1 is your 1 by root 3. So cot 60 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. Next, See, now we find trigonometric ratios of 45 degree. Okay, you take a right angle triangle. Okay, isosceles right angle triangle AB is equal to BC. Okay, isosceles right angle triangle. So let AB A and BC A. Then if these two sides equal, then this angle is equal to this angle. Why? You know, angle opposite to the equal sides are equal. Okay, so here you know this is 90 degree, then this angle must 45 degree and this angle also 45 degree, because the sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. This angle 90 degree, then 45 degree plus 45 degree 90 degrees, so you get 180 degree. Okay, so you take AB A, BC A unit, then AC you can get using Pythagoras theorem. You know Pythagoras theorem. So AC is equal to what? A square plus a square under root, that is equal to 2a square plus a square 2a square under root, that is equal to root 2a. Okay, so AC is your root 2a. Now you find, you take angle A, this angle is 45 degree. Okay, so sine 45 degree, you know sine P by H. For this angle P is your what? BC. This is P, AB, B base and hypotenuse root 2a. Okay, so sine 45 degree is equal to BC by AC, P by H. So here BC is A, AC is root 2a, or you can write A root 2 also. So here A root 2. So A cancel, then you get 1 by root 2. And you know that cosec 45 degree is reciprocal of sine 45 degree. So reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is your root 2. Root 2 by 1, or you just write root 2. Okay. Here now you find cos 45 degree. Cos 45 degree, base is AB and H is AC. So AB by AC, AB A by AC, root 2a, A cancel, so 1 by root 2 you get. So sec 45 degree, you know the reciprocal of cos 45 degree. So sec 45 degree is equal to reciprocal of this is root 2. So sec 45 degree is equal to root 2. Then come to tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree, this angle. Here A angle 45 degree. So you know that P by B, tan theta is equal to P by B. So here P is BC and B is AB. So BC by AB. BC is equal to A and AB A. So A by A cancel, then you get 1. Okay, and you know that cot 45 degree is reciprocal of tan 45 degree. So here reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. So cot 45 degree equal to 1. Okay. Trigonometric ratios of 0 degree. So in right angle triangle ABC, if the angle A is made smaller and smaller till it becomes 0. Here you see this angle, then angle A is made smaller and smaller and smaller till A angle is equal to 0. As angle A gets smaller and smaller, the length of BC decreases and the point C gets closer to point B. The point C coincides with the point B. Finally, when angle A becomes very close to 0, AC becomes almost the same as AB. So AB is approximately equal to AC. Okay, when angle A tends to 0 degree. Okay, so here you see BC tends to 0 when A tends to 0, BC tends to 0, and AB is approximately equal to what? AC. So AC becomes almost the same as AB. Here BC tends to 0, AB almost equal to AC, AB becomes very close to 0. Okay, in this right angle triangle. Now you find the trigonometric ratios of 0 degree. So sin A angle is 0 degree, suppose. Then you know P by H. Here P is your BC and H is your AC. So BC by AC, and BC tends to 0 and AC. So 0 by something is 0. So sin 0 degree is equal to 0. Now come to cos A. A angle tends to 0 So cos 0 degree is equal to, you know, that b by h. Here b is AB and h is AC. So AB by AC, and as AB is almost the same as AC. As AC. So AB AC cancel, then you get 1. So cos A, that is cos 0 degree, is equal to 1. Now come to tan A, means tan 0 degree. Okay, A is close to 0 degree, so you take 0. So tan 0 degree, you know, P by B. Here P is your BC, which is approximately equal to 0, and S B is your AB. So AB. So BC by AB, that is 0 by AB, is equal to 0. So tan 0 degree is equal to 0. Understood? And you know the cosec 0 degree is reciprocal of sin 0. Sin 0. So 1 by 0 is what? Not defined. Not defined. So cosec 0 degree is equal to not defined. Okay. Then you find sec 0 degree, that is equal to reciprocal of 1 by reciprocal of cos 0 degree, that is 1 by cos 0 degree, that is equal to 1 by, here cos 0 degree 1, so sec 0 degree is equal to 1. Then come to cot 0 degree, which is reciprocal of tan 0 degree. So 1 by tan 0 degree. 1 by tan 0 is equal to 0. So 1 by 0, you know, not defined. So cot 0 degree is your cot 0 degree is not defined. Next, see, here you see that the angle A is made larger and larger in right angle triangle ABC till it becomes 90 degree. Till it becomes 90 degree. See, the angle A is made larger and larger till it becomes 90 degree. Okay. As A angle gets larger and larger, angle C gets smaller and smaller. Therefore, the length of this side AB, goes on decreasing. The point A gets closer to point B. A gets closer to point B. Finally, when A angle is very close to 90 degree, when A angle is very close to 90 degree, C angle becomes very close to 0 degree. This angle becomes 0 degree. And this side AC, this side AC almost coincides with side BC, almost coincide with side BC. Here you see BC approximately equal to AC. Okay, when and AB tends to 0 and A angle tends to 90 degree, means A angle is very close to 90 degree, means you think it 90 degree, and AB is equal to 0, you think. Okay, then you see, you know that in right angle triangle ABC, sin theta, what? P by H. So here sin A means sin A angle here. So P is your BC and H is your AC. H is your AC. So sin 90 degree, A angle 90 degree is equal to BC by AC, P by H, BC by AC. So here BC is nearly equal to AC. So you can cancel them. You will get 1. Okay. So sin 90 degree is equal to 1. Now come to cos A. Cos A, for this B by H, you know, base by hypotenuse. So base is here AB and hypotenuse is here AC. So AB by AC. And you know BC approximately 0. So 0 by AC, that is equal to 0, and cos 90 degree is equal to here 0. Okay. Now come to tan A. A angle here 90 degree, and tan, you know, P by B. Here P is BC and B is AB. Okay. So BC by AB. BC remains same. The AB very close to 0, you take AB equal to 0 unit. Then BC by 0, you know, division by 0 is your not defined. Not defined. Okay. Now you find cosec 0 degree, which is reciprocal of sin 0 degree. Sin 0 degree. So 1 by sin 0 degree. Here, sorry, sin 90 degree. Okay. Cosec 90 degree. Reciprocal of cosec 90 degree is equal to 1 by sin 90 degree. That is 1 by 1, that is equal to 1. Okay. Similarly, you find here that sec 90 degree is your reciprocal of cos 90 degree. So 1 by cos 90 degree 0. So sec 90 degree not defined. Not defined. Okay. Now come to cot 90 degree. Here 1 by what? 10 90 degree. So 1 by 10 90 degree. 90 degree is here undefined. Undefined means 1 by here what? BC by 0. So you can write 0 by BC, that is equal to 0. So cot 90 degree is equal to 0. Next, C. Trigonometric ratios of some specific angles in table. Here theta value is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So sin theta, sin 0 is 0, sin 30 degree 1 by 2, sin 45 degree 1 by root 2, sin 60 degree root 3 by 2, sin 90 degree 1. Okay, and cos 0 degree 1, cos 30 degree root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree 1 by root 2, cos 60 degree 1 by 2, cos 90 degree 0. Okay, you can remember like this. See, sin 90 degree is equal to cos 0 degree. This is equal to this, 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 and this is equal to this. And here you see tan theta degree 0, 30 degree 1 by root 3, tan 45 degree 1, tan 60 degree root 3 and tan 90 degree not defined. Okay, now you see the cosec theta, reciprocal of sin theta. So reciprocal of 0 is not defined. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. You can easily remember like this. Reciprocal, here you see sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta. So reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. Reciprocal of 0 is not defined. And you know cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. So reciprocal of 0 is not defined. Reciprocal of 1 by root 3 is root 3. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of root 3 is 1 by root 3. Reciprocal of non-defined is 0. So cot 90 degree is equal to 0. Next, see exercise 8.2, question number 1, first bit. Here sin 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree cos 60 degree. Find the value. Sin 60 degree, you know root 3 by 2, cos 30 degree root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 degree 1 by 2, cos 60 degree 1 by 2. Okay, then here you see root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. So here you write 3. 2 into 2, 4. So 3 by 4. Okay, Here 1 1 you multiply, you get 1, 2 2 4. Now take LCM 4, then 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4 by 4. If you cancel them, then you get 1. Second bit. Here 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. So you know that tan square 45 degree is equal to, you can write tan 45 degree whole square, and you know tan 45 degree is equal to 1, so 1 square is equal to 1. Okay, so here 2 into tan square 45 degree equal to 1 square. Similarly here you can write cos square 30 degree, that is cos 30 degree, you know, root 3 by 2. So here square is there, so root 3 by 2 whole square. So here you can write like this. And sin square 60 degrees. Sin 60 degree, you know that root 3 by 2 and square of it, then you get this. So here 2 into 1 2 plus, here you know that root 3 square by 2 square, that is root 3 square, means root 3 into root 3, that is equal to 3. So 3 by 2 square 4, so 3 by 4. Here 3 by 4, here also 3 by 4. Now this and this cancel, then you get 2. Okay, thank you my very dear young friends. So arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached. Thank you very much.